I have reviewed a few laser projectors before and I've been impressed with the picture quality, but the JMGO N1 Ultra is the new best laser projector I've ever used. Not only that, it has quite a few other standout features. Here's my review. The N1 comes in a standard shipping box, but once you open it up, you can find a nice recyclable EPP portable packaging that makes it easy to pack and carry the projector with you. I believe that more manufacturers should follow JMGO and provide consumers with packaging that is actually useful. Besides the projector, you get a power cable and adapter, a remote control, and an Allen wrench. The N1 Ultra has quite a few standout features, and it all starts with a unique gimbal-like design. You can move the device 360 degrees horizontally and 135 degrees vertically thanks to the built-in rotating pad on the bottom and a swivel arm for tilt adjustment. Combined with a super-fast autofocusing system, the built-in gyroscope will detect the angle in real time and adjust the focus instantly, so you can enjoy a tack-sharp picture quality. This brings a lot of benefits. Just to name a few, you can save a lot of time and energy adjusting the angle manually. When employing traditional projectors, whether they are stationed on a desktop or housed on a cabinet, the alignment of projected images frequently proves to be problematic. Rectifying this issue necessitates resorting to makeshift solutions such as borrowing tripods or utilizing books, highlighting the inherent challenges and inconveniences associated with conventional projector setups. Moreover, this design allows you to project image to the ceiling so you can enjoy romantic bedroom movie sessions. The overall build quality is excellent. The N1 Ultra is made of aluminum and high-grade polycarbonate, and it looks and feels premium. To facilitate the gimbal-like movement, the company implemented the power input near the base. A nicely backlit power key is on the front of the base. On the back of the projector, you can find the USB, 2 HDMI ports, and a 315mm audio port. Just above the ports, there is the heat exhaust grill. On the sides, there are speaker grills for audio that I'll talk about in just a bit. The projector can be controlled with a supplied remote control. Another standout feature, picture quality. There are quite a few laser projectors out there, but the N1 Ultra uses MALC or Microstructure Adaptive Laser Control Triple Color Laser Optics, which is a patent technology innovated by the JMGO team. Thanks to its triple color laser light source, the N1 Ultra can project exceptionally bright images with precise and vibrant colors, surpassing both LED projectors and single laser projectors in performance. The picture quality is absolutely stunning and hands down the best I've seen on any laser projector. The projected image resolution is 4K and it is tack sharp and crisp from corner to corner, and the picture is incredibly bright, reaching 2200 CVIA lumens of brightness. That means that you can easily see the projected image in daylight, allowing you to use the N1 Ultra in more places at any time of the day than traditional projectors. Thanks to 110% BT2020 wide color gamut and 10-bit color depth, colors are punchy yet realistic and visually pleasing. Also, I'm really impressed with the 1600:1 contrast ratio. Well, it's not quite on the OLED TV level, but you can definitely see that the brighter areas shine nicely without overexposure, while darker regions exhibit enhanced quality and clarity. There is also an eye protection feature built in, which automatically dims the laser beam if someone goes in front of the projector. Further, there is a built-in MEMC dynamic compensation which helps produce smoother frames even if moving image is displayed. You can go up to 150 inches in terms of the projected image size, which is much more than most of the popular consumer TVs. Basically, you have a portable home cinema device that you can move from one place to another with ease. Bad audio can ruin even the best picture quality, but that's not the case with the N1 Ultra. I was blown away by the audio quality, especially considering the size of the projector. The device uses hi-fi sound developed with Dyna Audio. The speaker system, with its two 10-watt speakers, brings you D-bass tones that go as low as 45 Hz. The result of this setup: rich, detailed, and room-filling audio. Here are a few audio tests. nice, but I mostly use 5.7K at 30 FPS for more detail and sharpness. The camera also supports 4K 30 FPS 360 video live streaming to popular platforms like YouTube and Facebook. I also like still images. The same qualities apply just like in the video mode. The projector runs on Android TV 11 with Amazon Prime and other apps pre-installed out of the box, and you can download many more from the Google Play Store. Netflix is not pre-installed, but there are many workarounds to do that. The UI is fast and smooth, and it works seamlessly with all the apps I tested it with. I think that Android TV is the best choice for the projector user interface, as it syncs up well with your Google account and you can get all the familiar apps with ease. You can customize quite a few of the projector settings, but I think that out-of-the-box settings are good for the majority of users. Overall, JMGO N1 Ultra is the best laser projector I've ever tested. Its MALC triple laser technology excels over the competition as it offers a brighter and more true-to-life picture. Also, its unique gimbal-like design and overall feature set make it stand out from the crowd. The only con is the lack of native Netflix support. Also, I wish the remote control had backlit buttons. However, the pros easily outweigh the cons, and if you add excellent audio, a fast Android TV 11 user interface, and good overall performance, you're looking at one of the best laser projectors currently available. What do you think about this laser projector? Would you buy this one or would you choose another option? As always, like the video if you liked it, please subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and as always, it was Linus, thank you for watching and see you soon.